Uh, hey people, so we are at this place called RN Grand, and much like its name, it seems like a grand place. And yeah, that's me, tired after a long trip. And Ayush, you can come into the frame, my friend. And Ayush, you can tell us. There are people here. I'm just so the room tariff. Like I said, if you were to Google it, it's something that is you know wow. So Nana could be there, Ayush and me could be here. Ayush, what is your opinion of this place, Ayush? Yeah, yeah, the shoes can be kept somewhere. Ooh, so this is cute. Okay, so this is cute. This is cute. Oops, I look tired. But yeah, I'm so glad I'm here, and this looks so inviting to be in. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.